at sa attendance, hindi ba? So pagkatapos nun, pwede na at kaya na.
Sir, you mentioned that you also wrote the parties, the prosecution and the defense.
Basically, informing them of the letters we sent out and the memo that we sent out to the officials of the Senate.
The letter to the parties also has the proposed timetable.
Yes.
So essentially,
As an attachment to the letters to the senators.
So essentially, kung ano yung sinare nyo sa amin, can we get a copy of the letters to the parties?
Yes. Okay. Pinabigay ko na kanina pa eh.
Sir, yung pong kukuhain natin na private lawyers.
Ibigay nyo na nga. Bigyan nyo kayo. Ilang bang kopya meron kayo? Isa lang o tatlo? Kulang yan. Isang kopya lang yan.
Sir,
Kasi naman.
sir, yung legal
Tatanda
team.
ako sa inyo.
Yung legal team, sir, meron na pong kausap talaga na makakapartner yung Senado.
Wala pa. Yung unang kinausap namin, tamo kaya ayokong banggitin sa inyo nung una, tumanggi. Dahil yung kanilang mga commitments prevents them from participating in supposedly highly politically charged cases. So we are still searching. But in the meantime, the Solicitor General will stand and represent us in any litigation before any court, most likely before the Supreme Court. Isa pa lang naman yun sa amin, di ba? Yung mandamus kaugnay ng pag-hearing. Isa pa lang, di ba? Yung kay VP Sara, iintayin naming matanggap yung notice mula sa Korte Suprema.